y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, with another day in the shop, man. We got a couple projects going on. We want to introduce you to a couple customers and projects that we're working on. It's been a crazy week. We got cars coming in from Florida, from Kansas City, from New York, from New Jersey. It's just been a crazy thing here at the shop. But we have one of a guy. I met him actually a while back. In fact, on one of the videos y'all see, I ran a red Z06, a red Grand Sport, a red Z06 that was supercharged with the Elder Block. That video was actually his. And the funny part, like, after he had that, I want to show you what he owns now. And I don't blame you. Yeah. So right now, if we look in here, he owns a green Hellcat, guys. Green Hellcat. Cat, you raced him with Mom's car not too long ago. So this is what's going on, guys. We have this here. It's actually a green. What's the name of this color?
This is Sublime Pro Coat.
Sublime, this is what the car is, the Sublime green. We're gonna be, I want you guys to pay attention to what you see today, because when you see the car in a few days, it will not be the same car. So this is what you got going on. As you can see, everything's normal. Everything's normal on this car, all the way across the board, normal, normal, normal. What you see right now is not gonna be the same thing, because we're gonna actually get this car and we're gonna be introducing a wide body kit. So we're gonna be getting this car and introducing the Demon style wide body kit installed completely for this vehicle. We should be able to get this car out within 3 or 4 days at max time. It might take a little bit more because there's some other stuff we want to get done, but I give or take what the time is to get it done. But I want you to pay attention to what you see now. We're about to get this beautiful green pearled car and make her a wide body. Noah's the owner of this vehicle. We're not gonna let him see the car until we're done. So this is the last time that he's gonna see this car until we do the big reveal and give him back his car. So once we get back to you, we're gonna actually vlog you. I wanna see your reaction, but I tell you right now, she's gonna turn into a different car. You already know what mine looks like. Yeah. And we're expected to do the same thing. I got some other ideas for you, but let's get this project done. Yeah. And then we'll give you some other ones, and he's dropping it off today. We will see this car very shortly, and I'm gonna show you a couple other projects we have going on. So right now, Noah, I'm taking possession of your car. If you see the tires wear down a lot more, it's not our fault. If you see the video doing donuts, it's not our fault. If you see him racing other cars, it's not our fault. Do you understand that? Yeah. No matter if it looks like me racing the car, you understand and agree that it's not me, right?
Red key though, so don't lose.
Red key, so no, we listen, when Audio Cat's driving the car, we don't lose. Don't lose. Yeah. I gave you the know what? Actually, you know what? I got this very cocky guy. He owns a 5.0 Mustang. All right. He think he can beat everybody's ass. I want you, when you get the car back with the wide body, I want you to do one favor only. All right. I want you to gap his ass. You think you can handle it?
I can handle that.
All right, we're about to see. When he comes back and pick up the car, Audio Fox's Mustang could be going against him on the Hellcat. Now, you know how to drive your car?
I can drive it.
Okay, we're gonna go. He's an M6 also, which is manual. He will be gapping the Audio Fox. We'll find out when we get done. We'll take him to Mexico. We'll be right back. Here, guys, the wide body is back, as you can tell. Now I gotta work on the gap. You see the wheel gap? I gotta work on that right now. Putting all the other plastics together. But she should be out of here in a minute. Now that it's here, I'm gonna do all the trimming and situation that I need to get it all perfect. Get this gap with the wheel spacers here. So he has that. And this car will be out of here today. All right, guys, so we're here at the shop. We actually got the first wheel on this wide body installed, as you guys can tell right there. Wide body's on the car. Gray Goon is coming out of here. This is known as the Green Hulk here in the Dallas area. I'm gonna have my guy wash it down and get this all removed. But Mr. Josh is in the building, getting these tires installed, getting the Green Hulk ready to be delivered to the client to get this out the door, guys. Another wide body done here at AUDIOZONE, 1230 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas. Come check them out, guys. If you need it done, we're the place. All right, cruise, so we get to the finale of this other wide body build. We'll show y'all exactly right now. We're dropping it down so you can see how everything's looking right now. If we get this car drawn and dropped, Josh is in the process of lowering the car. We're gonna get this car cleaned up and washed up for the customer delivery. Noah, I hope you love what you got here, buddy. So we're now in the Green Hulk Hellcat. We are going for a ride to make sure that everything drives good, stable good, no rubbing, no rashing. We got my boy Josh driving the vehicle. We're leaving the shop right now. If we can speak, you can see we're backing up right now out of the area to get into this bad boy and get her situated with the test drive, make sure everything's flowing good, and get ready to wash the car for delivery. So if everything goes good right now, guys, we'll have this car out for delivery in a few minutes. But guys, this is what go far. We're driving the vehicle. Josh, you hear anything? Nothing. I hear everything is sounding good. I'm gonna get it up to speeds of 60, 70, make sure that everything's proper. So we can deliver you to Mr. Noah. We want to thank you, Noah, for the opportunity to serve you. We got 4 more in the shop to do, because you're going to be staying posted when we do these cars. One of them's a Dodge Charger. We're doing a wide body too, which is going to be fun, but definitely going to get done, guys. So right now, we're just going to drive this and make sure everything's good. Green Hulk wide body, getting out the door. All right, so this is what it's going to be. Josh is actually driving the M6 manual Hellcat. We are right now going to a street that I like to go test drive on. Y'all going to recognize it from other videos when we get there. But long story short, there's a cop back there. But we're just driving down here, making sure the car's not rubbing or nothing. But I think it's a great opportunity to do something, guys. So this is a manual M6 Challenger Hellcat. And in this video, I'm gonna include a video of him driving my wife's automatic Charger Hellcat. So I'm gonna let him drive him and see which one he thinks is more fun. And make it a video, guys. Give it to you guys. I mean, he was at the shop one day with his wife, and they came, and my wife had her car, and I told Josh, just take her car. So he took a car, and I got the video footage, and it was pretty interesting. Josh is very respectful, but I'm giving him permission. Noah, if you're watching this video, yell at me. But I told him I want him to actually, you know, cruise out of first gear and then get into the car and feel the difference. And I want him to review how does he feel an M6 manual Challenger versus an automatic Charger. I want to see what the reaction could be from Josh. So we get into our famous street, Mexico. Yes, guys, we got Mexico in the DFW area. We are here right now, guys, getting ready to go down the street. Put it into first, Josh. And I just want you to, of course, carefully. I'm watching you, supervising you, okay? So we are right now gonna make this turn into Mexico. Hold on a second, guys. Alrighty, so, let me. Okay, go, what is that up there? Hold on.
That's road work.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because the cops got orange on top too. Let's go around the other way. I'll be back. All right, guys, so we are here driving the vehicle. We saw something that was a little scary. Want to make sure we didn't have the Guadalajara Police Department from Mexico getting on us. So we are going to do this run now. Let all these guys pass up. And let's get him to give us a review between the M6 and the automatic Charger. So let's get him into rolls. Just roll into it, so there's no burning, and go. Okay, but my question is, review between the manual and the automatic, what do you like more? Truthful.
I like the manual.
He likes the manual. I like the manual too, man. I just think that we got to save the manuals, guys. But so far, everything's running good. We just went up to speed a couple times. We got up to maybe 100 and something. And there was no vibration, so we should be good to deliver. I'll be back in a minute. Hey!
Wow. You zoom out. Oh, there we go.
This is fucking crazy. He's like, yeah, you're my son. That's awesome.
Okay. So, riding in a Hellcat for the first time. I'm terrified. This is Adidas Hellcat, and I'm terrified.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you. Hey there. Y'all always say that.
It's illegal to street race in America.
So you guys saying going to Mexico.
So we go to Mexico. Oh, shit.
Ready?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. First time in a Hellcat. Awesome.
Come right here.
All right, so they just got back from driving the kitty cat. I got a question for you. What is your comment?
Fast.
What do you say?
I'm buying a Hellcat.
You liked it? You guys had a good time? Yeah. So, babe, you let
That's how I felt when I test drove reels. I'm like, oh, I gotta get a Hellcat. I have to.
You guys enjoyed it? How fast you get it to, Josh? 140, that quick too.
I'll tell you with the bar. I tell you could step on it like that.
I told him he could step on it.
What?
It's no fun to drive a Hellcat if you can't feel the hell out of the cat.
Stepped on it to 140.
Oh, your son's hit 180 on it.
What? Don't play.
Anyway, y'all, they actually drove it. They enjoyed it, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all a great thing, man. All right, guys, we're at the shop. I just got back from doing a quick run to go get some Mazdas. Picked up my guys to have window tint. But I want to show you something that's going on. My nephew Juan, they cleaned this bad boy up so we get delivered to the client. The wide body is over with. He's getting it cleaned up so we can deliver to this guy and just have him enjoy his car, man. So if you need that wide body, you know, we at 1230 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas. Come check us out with your desires, man. We can make your dreams reality. So we're here at the grand finale. We're about to deliver the car to Noah. Noah's the one that owns the green wide body known as the Hulk.
Yes,
cat.
sir. Okay.
And be careful when you see him in the street because he's gonna be doing some stuff to that car, man. But I'm really excited to see what his reaction gonna be as he goes to see his baby right now. Let's go see.
Let's see it.
In fact, here, you can grab
Let's
this and
go.
do what you gotta do here.
All right.
So, that's your Hellcat.
Oh.
This is your red key.
Bro. What?
This is your key for your car.
Oh my
That's
God.
your baby. We actually cleaned it up for you to make it look pretty because you can actually go enjoy yourself right now. Come over here, let me show you some more of your car.
Thank you.
Come here, come over here, Bucket. So, your car before used to be a regular car. Now he has a full-blown wide body. There's one piece that's missing, waiting for it to get put in, which is the marker lights that are gonna be in the bottom, but everything else is done and settled. He should be taking his car today and be over with. Noah, this is your baby. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love everything that's done to it.
It looks like a totally different car.
It is a whole different car. Now it's the whole car with some hips. Now he got some ass on the car. So now he can put those 315s really comfortably and be able to hook on y'all when y'all play with him in the streets. So be careful when you see him, because I guarantee you one thing, he's not gonna be staying stock long. And it's gonna be a car. We go out to car meets, so I'm gonna be taking them with me because they're, you know, my wide body, his wide body. It's just a fun thing. Man. We're gonna tear it down, but we're gonna be ready for y'all, so y'all be careful, man. But the Green Hulk is ready to go.
All right, man.
Deal.
Thank you, bro. I'll be back.
No.